Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Critical Solutions Incorporated's channel. We're, of course, sitting here once again with Bob, who we previously dove into his past and how he got involved. We touched on the company a little bit. We're going to go a little bit deeper today. First off, Bob, how are you doing? Has there been any updates lately with the company?
Yes, good morning, everyone. And out of the boardroom, what we've been doing with our people and our team and our employees and vendors that we have hired that are specialists, we've been working on consolidated statements between MKH and CSLI for the third quarter reporting. And we're working with Pubco Reporting, which is a national company that is not only approved, but does a lot of work on the OTC markets for other public companies. And, the good news is that that will be done. We're working very hard with the team, our accountants and their CPAs and everybody, so that the consolidated report will be there and it's all positive. We're getting evaluation of all the assets of the different holdings we have, which is critically important because some of these public companies are worth something in a value as not only as a public company, but some of the assets now that we have put in and some of the cash flow or contract streams that we do have.
Wonderful, wonderful. It sounds like things are moving well, and everybody will keep you updated on that as more comes along the wire. But Bob, let's dive into the meat and potatoes of today. So first and foremost, give me just a pure, simple elevator pitch of what it is Critical Solutions does.
We're a company that acquired other companies and either majority ownership or we have part of that company in a venture together and into some different industries. We kind of concentrate with one company, like with CSLI, we go in and we concentrate on cannabis license distribution, looking at distribution for home delivery, dispensary, wholesale, and cultivation, either through profit sharing contracts that we've been involved with or outright purchases, which we're negotiating right now. One of our other companies, UVSS, is a digital media company that is the CEO is Andrew Lane. It's been announced in the PR. We are currently doing 2 soundtracks for 2 movies under contract, and we're getting paid to do that through that company. And I think the exciting part about that is we have branding and social media. So we're getting more projects coming in for branding and digital marketing. And it's going well. So that company concentrates in the social digital media area and also will be part of the NFT market, of which is growing fast, as people know. And Road Dog, we own the majority shares and voting rights. So CSLI, is 51% vote on the board of directors. Just to understand that. And we just, with that, those 2 companies, we're setting in place, putting in cash flow projects. And like Brother Bud, the exciting part about purchasing Brother Bud, it's a stock purchase, is that it covers Southern California. And in Southern California, you have 18 million plus people in the population. And the 5 counties down from LA, Orange County, San Diego, and the Inland Empire, as they call it. That area is fast growing with distribution. And we did a lot of market testing, sending out individuals and working that market, home delivery, to see what it was really like. And we found per driver that through the month, every month, that you average 15,000 in sales. And that marketplace could easily take 100 drivers. So it's not hard to figure out 100 drivers in 5 counties. It's 20 a county. There's 5 counties. At 15,000 would be $1.5 million potential gross for us that we're shooting for as a target. So that we're just initiating and starting, and monies will be into both marketing and our websites and so forth. But we're currently working with that.
All right, interesting. So are these the verticals you guys are going to stick with? Are you guys more industry agnostic? You're just looking for quality opportunities in which you guys can get a majority share and make a difference in the company?
Well, it's interesting because we have done things, and we do things in both marketing on and into the real estate, where we've done some joint ventures where we'll join in on an equity participation, where we have a long-term lease coming back. So that's monthly money coming for 10, 15 years back to the company. We're looking at that. And then we have other opportunities that are always we're looking at in the real estate business, whether it's financing or purchase. Along with through UVSS, we're looking at a strong NFT market now, and it's really starting to cook up with what we have as far as marketing and associated people out there. We have a lot that we're going to be initiating and making future announcements on that.
Yeah, it sounds like you guys are into a lot of interesting spaces that are growing really fast. Now, I'm curious, like, could you just lay out 1, 2, 3, what is the real path to revenue for you guys?
The real path of revenue, right now, Critical Solutions is collecting profit sharing contracts, and that's about to increase. So we're still staying with that area. To Road Dog and CSLI and one of our other partners, we're looking at a joint venture purchase of dispensary and home delivery licensed in Southern California, obviously. So it's a revenue-based company. They're currently doing $2.5 million a year gross sales, and we feel we can take that and increase that. So we're vetting that out right now, but it's those type of opportunities that we're looking at. We just did the second soundtrack for a second movie production, and that's gone well. So we have these different contracts that are coming in, and we're of course increasing our account receivables on that. So the income on UVSS and Road Dog is going to grow, and that's all owned by CSLI.
Makes sense. Makes sense. So I guess last but not least, as we wrap up here, would you say there's an X factor coming up, or what it is, something people should be looking out for specifically, say over the next year?
We feel very strongly that what's happening is more opportunities are coming to us. More opportunities is coming because one, we're making money. Two, we know how to provide services and do joint venture, contracts, and we're good at that. So we have a lot of opportunities, but like anything else, you look for the good deals, the solid deals. And like right now, we're negotiating with one of the largest architect builder licensed company in the cannabis business that has completed over 600 projects, and they want to be involved with us in a joint venture. We're in discussions with that. We had meetings yesterday afternoon with the board members and them. So we're moving ahead into opportunities that are solid. Our black box of strategy is this: pretty simple. If it's a profit making company, if they're cash flowing and they're in the black, we're going to take a look at it, because we know that increased the investor base of stock, because investors look for profit.
Very well said, Bob. Listen, if anyone has any questions about anything we're talking about here, don't be afraid to send them over. We'll happily dive into them. But thank you for watching so far. Bob, any last words before we go?
Yes, one, I'd really like to thank our team of people and employees that we've been working on the consolidated statement, and also working on strategies and vetting out some purchases and accomplishing the purchase of Brother Bud. It's already has its own website and everything. You want to see what it's about, it's there. But I really want to thank all my people and internally and externally associated with it, because they've really been working hard and done a great job. And two, look at what we're doing, because we're increasing the profit and the sales.
Very well said. Everybody stay tuned. Keep watching what we're doing here. And kudos to the team for working hard and getting things moving. Bob, thank you so much again for coming on. Thank you everyone for watching, and stay tuned for another video coming soon. Have a wonderful
Oh,
day.
thank you so much.